Have a Photoshop.psd file and want to convert it into Canva for easier editing or sharing? You're not the only one. Canva is super beginner-friendly, but it doesn't support .psd files directly. So if you've made something in Photoshop or received a layer.psd file, moving it to Canva isn't straightforward, but it is possible with a simple workaround. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button so you never miss practical design tutorials like this. Here's how to convert a .psd file for use in Canva. Step 1. Open your PSD file in Adobe Photoshop. If you want to preserve layers and editable content, you'll need to manually separate each element, text, background, icons, etc., and save them as transparent PNGs. To do that, hide all layers except one, go to File, Export, Quick Export as PNG, and repeat for each element. Make sure you maintain high resolution so Canva doesn't blur anything. Now open canva.com, start a new design, and go to Uploads in the sidebar. Click Upload Files and bring in all your PNG elements. Once uploaded, drag each one onto your canvas and reassemble your layout. It takes a few minutes, but now you have a fully editable Canva version of your original Photoshop design. Alternatively, if you don't need to edit layers, just export the whole PSD as a high-res PNG or JPG and upload that directly. If this helped simplify your workflow, don't forget to like and subscribe. It keeps the channel growing. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.